In a peaceful little town called Moonberry Meadow lived two twins named Henry and Henrietta. They were almost identical, same bright smiles, same twinkling eyes, but they were different in one special way. Henry was careful about everything. Henrietta was fearless about everything. Every night, before bed, they shared stories about their day. But tonight felt different. Something big was happening tomorrow. The annual Moonberry Mountain Night Climb, where kids hike to the glowing peak under the stars. Henrietta bounced on her bed. I can't wait. We're going to climb all the way to the top. Henry pulled his blanket to his chin. I don't know. The mountain is steep. What if I get tired? What if I fall behind? Henrietta slid beside him and held his hand. Then I'll walk slow with you. That's what twins do. Henry smiled, just a tiny bit. The next evening, the moon was a perfect silver circle hanging over the mountain. The trail glowed faintly with blue fireflies, lighting the way like tiny lanterns. Ready? Henrietta asked. Henry gulped. Ready. They climbed side by side. But soon, Henry began to slow. His legs felt heavy. His breath puffed in little white clouds. I can't do this, he whispered. Henrietta stopped immediately. Yes, you can. One step at a time. She pointed to a small rock. Let's just make it, there. Henry nodded and took a step. Then another. And before he knew it, they were at the rock. See? Henrietta beamed. You climbed a little mountain already. Henry felt a warm spark in his chest. But halfway up, clouds rolled in. The wind whistled softly, and shadows danced between the trees. Henry wrapped his arms around himself. I'm scared, Henny. Henrietta squeezed his shoulder. You know what I do when I'm scared. What? I tell myself, brave doesn't mean not scared. Brave means I keep going. Henry breathed deeply. He wanted to be brave too. So he whispered, I keep going. Together, they took another step, and another, and another. After what felt like 1,000 steps, the clouds cleared, and the twins gasped. They had reached the top. The peak glowed with thousands of blue fireflies floating around them like swirling stars. The whole town twinkled far below. Henry's eyes widened. I did it. Henrietta cheered, yes. You did. I knew you could. Henry looked at his sister, his heart big and proud. Thank you for believing in me. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.